Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alex and I've spent more than 20 years working with IT technologies. On this channel, I'm going to share practical tips and tricks and real experiences from my everyday work in cloud computing, DevOps, and cybersecurity. I know there is a lot of theory out there, books and courses telling you how to do everything perfectly. Or you can start as a professional to earn a lot of money in a month or less. You can't hear about that on this channel. In my personal experience, real-life projects very rarely follow textbook rules. Here, I will show you exactly how things happen in real companies. Based on my hands-on work with banks, financial institutions, retail, factories, and other large international enterprises and startups. Before we continue, please help support this channel. If you find my content useful, please like and subscribe. Your support helps the community grow and lets YouTube know that this channel provides helpful information. I truly appreciate your help in sharing knowledge. First of all, let me share a quick story. Once I was invited to speak at a tech conference. The organizers asked me not to talk about doing things right, because they thought it would be too boring. Honestly, it surprised me at first, because we are always hearing about best practices, how to write perfect code or perform quick migrations to the cloud. But unfortunately, in reality, perfect solutions rarely exist. For example, in scuba diving, which is one of my passions, there is a famous idea called do it right, or DIR. It sounds perfect, right? But divers still discussed about what is right in different situations. IT is the same. Each situation needs its own flexible solution. And that's what I will share with you here. I've led complex projects, migration whole IT infrastructures to the cloud, managing big teams and learning valuable lessons along the way. Today, I contribute to a global center of excellence, focusing on cloud migration and digital transformation. I'll share practical strategies you won't find in textbooks. Also, I've decided to start a new tech startup soon, and I openly document every step of my journey here. So, you can follow along and maybe get inspired from your own ideas. Another exciting thing which I wanna share with you, I've developed a cloud and DevOps course for a master's degree program, and I'm even writing my own book, which I hope will be published next year. If you are a manager or team leader, you'll also find plenty of useful advice here on handling tricky IT projects, avoiding common mistakes, and dealing effectively when things don't go accordingly to the plan. So, let's dive deep into real-world tech together. Now, let's start exploring. See you in the next videos.